In WPS spreadsheets, there are two ways of splitting sheets: split sheets by content and split books by sheet. First, split sheets by content. Take this table as an example. We want to split this table into multiple sheets by month. Click the Data tab, click the Split Sheet drop-down button, and select Split Sheets by Content. The default split area is the whole table. Check My Data has headers to make the split sheets have titles. Since we want to split the table by month, we select Month, column D, in the Split Basis area. We can choose to split into new files or new sheets. Here we check Different New Sheets and click Start to split up 4 sheets by month. Second, split books by sheet. We can also split all sheets in a spreadsheet into separate files. Click the Split Sheet drop-down button and select Split Books by Sheet. Check the 4 split sheets in the pop-up dialog, select a desired save position, and click Start. Then we get 4 separate files. This is the method of splitting sheets quickly. Did you get it?